Dear me, if I could go back in time and give my younger self some advice for the future, I would say it's gonna be okay. You're gonna face a lot of challenges, some which you might even feel like, you just can't get through it. You're just not gonna be able to get through it. You can't do it. But let me tell you something. You can, and you will. It's gonna take a lot. It's probably gonna take a lot of tears, a lot of crying, but you're gonna make it. You're gonna succeed. You're gonna fulfill all your dreams. You're gonna be an inspiration to some people out there. You're gonna be an inspiration to at least one person. So keep going, keep persevering. Don't even think of giving up, because you can do it. You will do it. You will make it. You will reach the end of the tunnel, and you will see that light at the end of the tunnel. So it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be fine. You're gonna be fine. Everything will fall in place.